Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shining Star Shabs, and in today's video we're going to look at bizarre things you probably didn't know about space. But before we start, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel, Shining Star Shabs. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. The first fact is that space is completely silent. There's no atmosphere in space or air, and it's a complete vacuum, so sound waves can't really travel through anywhere. The second fact is that Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. The average surface temperature is around 450 Celsius. Now, some of you out there might be wondering why it's not Mercury, as it is the closest to the Sun. But Mercury has no atmosphere, so nothing is there to regulate the temperatures, whereas Venus does have some sort of atmosphere and it regulates the Sun's temperature better than Mercury. The average spacesuit from NASA costs about $12 million. This is around about a good 8.6 pounds in UK currency. But 70% of the cost is for backup and the control module. So if anything, most of the price is paid for the safety of the astronaut. But this is the average spacesuit, and it's round about what everyone would have paid for in 1974. Now you would be looking at a good $150 million each. This next fact might be a little surprising to you, but it is true. And it's that the Sun makes 99.86% of the solar system. Now it might sound a little reasonable comparing to the size with other planets and the mass and the jobs it does, but this is very, very high. So this means that the rest of the planets and the stars only account for a good 0.14% of the solar system. Continuing to talk about the size of the Sun, you can fit approximately 1.3 million Earths inside of the Sun when they're squashed in. If the Earth wasn't squished into the Sun and retained its spherical shape, you could probably fit 960,000 Earths into the Sun. It does work out because the Sun is 330,000 times bigger than the Earth. Did you know that there are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way? There are about 3 trillion trees on the planet, but there are only around 100 to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way, or in the galaxy. My next fact though is that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Now clearly we can't measure to an exact amount the stars in the universe or how many grains of sand there are on the Earth. However, researchers in Hawaii said that there are around 7 quintillion or 500 quintillion grains of sand on the Earth. And other researchers have said that there are around a septillion stars in our universe, which is way more than the grains of sand. My next fact is all about Mars. Now, in normal daylight, Mars appears to be a rusty dust color. However, in sunset, it appears to be blue. Researchers and scientists are still looking into this, but sometimes it's to do with the positioning of Mars, or maybe it's a mistake in the human observers. We never know. Another quick fact is that one day on Venus is longer than 1 year on the planet Earth. And the last fact is that there is actually a planet made of diamonds. It's twice the size of the Earth and is actually called a super-Earth. It's most likely covered in full graphite or diamond, and paying a visit here would probably cost you around $12 million. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have learnt a lot from this video and enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel Shining Star Shabs, and also share with your friends and family so they can learn more about space.